everybody. It's Thanksgiving morning, and I thought I'd take an opportunity to hike the Gold Strike Hot Springs Canyon. The hike goes down from the parking lot. It goes down through the Gold Strike Canyon all the way to the Colorado River. Okay, I'm hiking down right now. It's a trailhead up there. It's kind of overcast, might rain a little bit, but should be a good time. Pretty cool formations around. So this trail leads right under the bridge from the highway here that leads over to the Hoover Dam. Pretty cool. Very colorful rock too around here. So this is where the canyon starts to dip down a little bit. There's a few other hikers out here too. There you go. This is a turnaround point. It says to stay hydrated. It takes about 25 minutes to get back from the trailhead from here. Well, we made it to some of the first water. There's a waterfall coming down. All sorts of algae and everything growing. Way up there. Very beautiful. Look at this color. It's crazy. So we see the Colorado River right now, just through the gorge. More waterfalls, and this looks like a really nice soaking pond right here. The water's warm, I can feel it. Oh, kind of mossy. I don't think I'd like to soak in this one. So we made it down to the river. It's beautiful. So the river looks kind of low right now, just judging by the moss on the sides. Oh yeah, that's way low. We could probably hike to the sauna cave.
The what?
Sauna cave.
Where's that?
It's around this way.
You're kidding.
No, I'm not. You haven't seen that one yet?
No, I haven't heard of
Let's
it.
go over there. It's pretty cool.
No kidding.
We have to wait a little bit, looks like. But it looks pretty shallow. But there's the bridge.
Oh, cool.
And a dam's right behind it.
For this one, it's so easy with the...
Oh, it went back. Oh no.
Did it go?
Oh no, it went to, okay, wait. Camera and video. Uh-oh, backwards. Backwards. Stop it. I gotta go on the backward side. Oh, where is it? Ooh, okay.
Oh my god. Oh, I see. It's at the top left-hand corner.
Oh.
I know. I do that all the time. I'm like, why am I looking at my face? Oh, you do?
You're on.
Is it a video now?
Yeah.
Oh.
Counting down. Awesome.
That's a cool one.